Hey there, feeling tired? Lacking energy? What if I told you that just 20 minutes every morning could completely transform your day? No heavy weights, no fancy equipment, just a low-impact, full-body workout to get you feeling strong, energized, and ready to conquer whatever comes your way. Welcome back to the channel, friends. If you're new here, I'm James, and I'm here to guide you towards a healthier, stronger version of yourself, without the stress of high-impact workouts. Now I get it. Mornings are tough. The bed feels like your best friend, and the thought of working out, not so appealing. But trust me, this simple 20-minute routine will not only wake you up, but will also keep you feeling great all day long. Section 1. Setting the mood. 2 minutes. Okay, before we dive in, take a moment to set your intention for today. I want you to take a deep breath in and out. Picture yourself feeling strong, confident, and at peace. Now grab a water bottle, a mat if you have one, and let's get moving. Section 2. Warm-up. 3 to 4 minutes. Let's start with a quick warm-up to get your blood flowing and wake up those muscles. Exercise 1. March in place. 1 minute. Just gently lift your knees and swing your arms. You don't need to go fast. It's about waking up your body, not exhausting yourself. Exercise 2. Arm circles. 30 seconds forward, 30 seconds backward. Open up your chest, loosen up those shoulders, and feel your posture improving with every circle. Exercise 3. Side step with shoulder rolls. 1 minute. Step side to side and gently roll your shoulders back. Let go of any tension. Today is about you. Section 3. The workout. 9 to 10 minutes. All right, the warm-up is done. Now, we'll move into our full body workout. Remember, this is low impact, so it's gentle on your joints, but still super effective. Exercise 1. Squat to reach. 2 minutes. Feet shoulder width apart. Squat down slowly, keeping your knees behind your toes. As you come up, reach your hands to the sky. Imagine you're grabbing all the good energy around you. Exercise 2. Side leg lifts. 1 minute per leg. Stand tall and lift your right leg out to the side, slowly and controlled. Switch to the left leg after a minute. Feel those muscles activating. It's not about speed, it's about control. Think about how strong your body is. Every lift is a reminder of what you're capable of. Exercise 3. Modified plank. 2 minutes. Get into a plank position, but keep your knees on the ground. Engage your core and hold for 20 seconds. Rest for 10 seconds, then repeat. This is where your core strength comes from. You are stronger than you think. Exercise 4. Seated twists. 2 minutes. Sit on the mat, feet flat on the ground. Twist your torso from side to side. If you want a challenge, lift your feet off the ground. Twist away the stress, the doubts, and the worries. This is your time to shine. Section 4. Cool down and stretch. 3 to 4 minutes. Great job. Now let's cool down and stretch it out. Cooling down is just as important as the workout itself. Stretch 1. Forward fold. 1 minute. Stand tall, then slowly reach for your toes. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings and lower back. Stretch 2. Side stretch. 30 seconds per side. Lift your arms above your head and lean to one side, then the other. Stretch 3. Seated butterfly. Stretch. 1 minute. Sit on the mat, bring your feet together, and gently press your knees down. How do you feel now? Lighter? Stronger? This is just the beginning. The secret to building strength and energy isn't in doing intense workouts. It's in consistency. So, show up for yourself every morning. Just 20 minutes. It's your time to reset, recharge, and remind yourself of your incredible potential. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. I'm here with you every step of the way. If you enjoyed this workout, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Let's keep growing stronger together. You've got this. See you in the next video.